So here's an update finally, how I was doing so far with my funded accounts, with my progress throughout the past few weeks or the past month. So I think it's time to do these recaps, and I think I owe you guys some apology, and at least there is a few things to talk about. But first of all, let me say that I had, I think, 7 funded accounts, and I already blown up 3 funded accounts. Unfortunately, I really wanted to go with the MyFundedFutures funded account, but anyway, I got blown up right there, and I started over. So currently, I decided that I'm going to share 3 accounts, maybe 4, for the stream stats. I have currently 5 funded accounts. I do have profits with a TopStep funded account, with 2 Bulenox and a Apex funded account, and I have 1 more Apex with 0 profit on it currently. I did not manage to make it to the funded level yet with Take Profit Trader, but I'm working on it. Anyway, I'm not copy trading these accounts every time, so that's important, and I'm trying to separately trade them. I did have some issue again while I was revenge trading at the first week of June. Now that June has passed, I just had to make amends, like what is actually happening and how I'm doing. So overall, as I said, I'm going to be tracking at least 3 funded accounts on these progress videos, of which I left back in May. I think the last one was in May. I don't know. And let me show you right now. Currently, my best funded account, and this was really a roller coaster. So my best funded account currently is at Bulenox. I mean, profit wise, that is. Today I made a little bit extra profit on this one, so I'm over $2,000. Now the profit target for this one is $3,600 with Bulenox, so I still have some progress to make, but I usually go for $100 or something like that in profits. My other funded account is also that I'm willing to share with Bulenox, also around $52,000. Managed to make 94 something bucks on this one today. Actually more. No, sorry. I made the previous one was 90 something dollars. I made a little bit more than 100. And then and these ones are pretty much more than 50% complete, 60% on the way to payout. Now the other one I'm willing to share with you guys is an Apex account, which is currently at $517 in profit. Now, as I said, I was frustrated. I still have my TopStep account here with $1,264. I don't know if, I'm going to trade on this, but because, you know, the micro to mini conversion, sometimes it's not working because I can only trade with three micros maximum currently on this one. This is 150k express funded account. Sometimes I do have to turn off the copy trader, so I decided to go with the other ones, and as soon as I can attach the MyFundedFutures funded account, that's going to be the 4th one. For now, the goal is absolutely the thing that to take out at least $1,000 from each account. So that is the absolute goal. Now, I had my ups and downs. This account was up like $2,400, and the other one too. So I'm actually down. I was down to 51,600 something. So I managed to pull it up there. It was a real struggle, but overall in June I can say that I ended up in profit. I'm very glad that I did not blow more accounts by revenge trading and rage trading, and that's why I decided to go and continue with micros. So today was at least a good day in terms that I made a small profit, at least on 2 funded. And for the future of what's to come, as I said, the goal is to take at least $3,000 to $5,000 in a given month, or in 30 days as a payout, because it was always more important to me to make money from trading and not just from affiliates. And by the way, at this point, I want to thank to everybody who was supporting me by using my codes and links throughout the streams. Without that, I could not be able to be here every single day, right? So I'm still working on this. As I said, my main priority is to get the MyFundedFutures funded account in place as the 4th one here. And guys, I'm trying to do the daily recaps, or at least weekly recaps, from some of the good trades, some of the bad trades, but how things were going. All right, so this is how I'm doing. I do have some plans for the future, some updates on the Discord server. It's going to have some more educational material. Also, not that it really matters too much, but I had some personal life hardships during June. So, you know, if I look at the big picture, I think I didn't do too badly. I mean, I wasn't really wasting too much money on buying more and more, like dozens of evaluation accounts that I did in May. In May, I did do a lot of YOLOing, a lot of crazy stuff, but now I'm focusing on building up these accounts. I'm a slow trader, you guys know that. I'm not doing crazy trades. Also, just a little bit of an add-on, a cherry on the top, that I'm also trading with Funded Next, with CFDs. Not that this is my main goal. I thought that I'm just gonna pick it up, so I'll try to do an update on this one too. You guys can see it here. I just started today, so it was a pretty good. I was scalping, as you guys can see it right here. Look at all these arrows. This was scalping today. Nothing really special, but yeah, it was a pretty strong day in terms of scalping. And overall, I made $1,455. But this is a different story. I'm going to be doing a video about that later. Overall, I'm very happy with the funded accounts. Stay tuned. Recap videos are coming, and stay tuned for the giveaways. There are going to be a MyFundedFutures giveaway, 3 starter accounts, so make sure to subscribe. And I'm going to be giving away 3 starter accounts from MyFundedFutures. Stay tuned on the streams, and thank you so much. This was a brief update of how I did profit-wise. And again, I'm willing to build more accounts. I'm not the type of trader who trades 20 funded accounts by copy trading all, but this is my progress. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the streams.